Blimey! Don't tell me you two are it.
Oh, looks that way.
I remember the days when I could fill theatres, even the seats with a restricted view. But, like I used to say to Maxine's dad, it's not the size that matters, it's the enthusiasm. So, let's get started. Just feel the music. Come on, Jack.
Look, do we really have to do this here?
Personally, I don't think you can beat a bit of outside action.
Yes, that's it. Let the music overtake you.
Do you not have something a little slower? Perhaps Donna Summer's Love to Love You, Baby.
Hang on. Are you two old dears a thing?
First of all, Trish Miniver, less of the old dears. You and I are practically the same age. And as from today, Jack and myself are an item, aren't we? Jack.
Malena, I think you are a lovely, lovely person.
I sense a book coming on.
But after Breda, I'm just not ready to date again. I'm sorry. I really am. I'm so, so sorry.
Right. Let's dance.
Yeah. I haven't seen him either, Celeste. I'm really starting to worry now. Yeah. Toby! I'll call you back.
What's the matter?
What's the matter? What do you mean? Where on earth have you been? We've been looking all over for you. You've been worried sick.
I just popped out to town to get something for DeMarcus. What are you so worried about?
Well, I saw how upset you were with him after what happened yesterday.
Yes, I was. Look, me and DeMarcus, we're just trying to figure each other out. I just don't want him thinking that his big bro is some out-of-control thug. Look, I remember DeMarcus saying he liked skateboarders, so I bought him this wavy helmet. It's like a welcome to the family type thing, that's all.
So, what about you and Celeste?
Look, she shouldn't have done what she did, but I'll get over it. I'm just gonna make her go over it a little bit, that's all. What is wrong?
Nothing. I'm just glad you're okay.
Sienna, I don't think this is a good idea.
Why not?
You've just lost Brody.
Which is exactly why I need to do this. So that maybe I can get him out of my head for just a little while.
I get how you're feeling. I know it's not the same as you and Brody. But I lost who I thought was the love of my life too.
Maxine.
Yeah. You know, I really thought we had a chance. And then she dumped me. What?
It's just been a really long time since I've seen you like this.
Yeah, well, I keep it well hidden.
You're wrong, though. Your pain is no different to mine. Loss is loss. So why don't we try and help each other to forget how sad we feel right now?
You don't have to thank me. I've taken on bigger idiots than Nate before.
No, I mean for lending me the rent money. It was really kind of you.
Kind? I'll be adding on interest. I'm joking. Just pay me back when you can.
I sold lots today.
Hold on.
Despite your protest. Look, people are always going to choose something that looks good. and doesn't cost the Earth over their morals.
Well, that's just it. It is costing the Earth. And I'm going to prove you wrong.
Yeah, good luck with that, because we both know you don't have a chance.
Did you just hear that?
Ignorant pig.
Don't worry. The battle may be lost, but the war is still on. We just need to up the ante a bit.
How'd your date with Jack go?
Nowhere fast. That's where it went.
What happened?
It's all our breeder's fault. He was so traumatized by her murderous actions, she put him off dating.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do you want me to make you a crisp and salad cream butty to cheer you up?
I wouldn't be able to keep it down. Not after the humiliation of being dumped halfway through a date like that.
Oh, go on. I'll throw some onion rings on for you.
Thanks for the offer. But your Nana's had a bit of a tough day. I think I'll just go and have a little lie down instead.
Oh.
Hey, bumped into Toby. He said you were upset.
Oh, I'm fine. Now that he's back.
What's this?
Just looking at some old photos.
Now this was the night that we met. I've never seen a woman so beautiful.
Felix, stop it.
Hey, I'm showing you my sensitive side. I mean, it doesn't happen often. Grab it while you can. Hey. Babe, what is it? Okay, all right, talk to me.
When Toby was missing, I was worried. But I knew that I could handle it because I was in control of looking for him.
Because you're a superwoman.
No, I'm not. I'm with cancer. I'm at his beck and call.
Okay. Right now it might seem that way, but after surgery, it will change all of that.
And what about afterwards?
Then you have people who love you, who are going to help you through this.
I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about you and me.
I don't understand.
But we've only just got back together.
So?
So what about afterwards? Well, are you gonna feel the same? You know, when my body looks different.
Are you kidding me?
You can go and meet somebody else if that's what you want.
I don't want to meet anyone else.
Really?
Really? Martine, this cancer, which you will beat, is not going to change anything at all. Look, for all those years we weren't together, I never, ever stopped loving you. And I never, ever will. You're stuck with me. For life.
You were right. That did take my mind off Maxine.
That was a strict one off.
Was it?
Yeah.
Is there a problem?
No, it's just something I have to deal with.
What is it?
Summer texted me the other day. She wants me to visit her in prison.
You're not going to see her, are you?
I don't know. Maybe.
Sienna, that is a really bad idea.
Is it, though? Hey, if someone was responsible for Brody's death, then she would be reveling in it. Not denying it like she is. Maybe it is worth hearing her out.
No. That's the last thing you should do. That woman is twisted. She'll only make you feel more upset than you already are.
Maybe you're right. I mean, after all, I know who's really responsible for Brody's death.
Who?
Me, Warren. I mean, if I'd never got involved with Summer, then none of this would have happened.
Sienna, blaming yourself isn't helping anyone. We can't change the past.
No. But we can change the future. Something about this isn't right, and I owe it to the memory of Brody to find out what that is.
Oh, you feel better after your little snooze? You are way better than Jack Osborne anyway. Let's just forget about him and focus on finding you a new Mr. Right.
There's no point. I need to face the fact, whether I like it or not, that my dating days are well and truly behind me.